Hi friends, it's Becky and I have some friend mail to share with you today. It feels pretty heavy, so I grabbed a little organizer to put this into, and I'm really excited to see what is in here. This is a package from our friend Brandy, who has a YouTube channel that I'm going to be sharing in the description below if you'd like to check out what she has made so far. She is part of our community here on the Becky and Jenny Beading Together channel, and again, she has her own YouTube channel as well. But I'm really excited to see this. She sent some friend mail to Jenny, which you might have seen during our last late night beading. That was about a week and a half ago, because we didn't do late night beading last week. We will be doing it this week if you're looking forward to that. I know I am. But I am going to open this up over here away from the camera just to make sure that there isn't any like personal stuff or anything like that that doesn't need to be seen. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh, I love this, Brandy. Look how sweet that is. I love these little flowers. They look painted. What a fantastic pouch. All right. Oh, yep, there's a little note for me. And the note says, "Thank you for being such a wonderful lady. The time you and Jenny take out of your days to teach us and give us ideas means so much to us. Thank you, Brandy Michelle." Thank you. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me to be able to do what we do. Sometimes life gets in my way and I can't do it as much as I want to, but it means a lot to me that it's also valued by everyone who participates and is part of our community. So I am so grateful for that. Thank you so much. You are worthy. I love that. Ooh, there's also stickers. I love stickers. Oh my gosh, a little bear. He's adorable. Look at our little guy. Look at our little guy. He's so cute. He looks like he's made out of honey. He looks exactly like he's made out of honey. Okay, he's gonna sit here and watch the rest of this unboxing. But let's get our little heart out here. It's a little packet hug. I love this. Thank you so much, Brandy. Oh my gosh, how thoughtful is this? But look, look, look. Butterflies. Butterfly in the sky. Ooh, and a moon. Butterfly in the sky. Here we go. I have so many ideas for things I can decorate with these amazing stickers. I love them so much. Self-care is not selfish. I am going to go stick this on my work desk because sometimes I need extra. Ooh, hey, look, an extra one. It was stuffed in amongst the stickers. Love these. Note to self, your best is enough. I love that too. Little burbs. Because they're cute. That's why they're burbs, not birds. And some really pretty romantic pieces. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Brandy. I love these already. I haven't even gotten to the beads yet. Well, and already I love this. This is amazing. Oh man, this package had a little detour. It had to go away and then come back again. But I'm so excited. And they are all labeled. How fun is this? Ooh, we've got one of these dragon guys. Now she did share this with Jenny as well, which is great because Jenny loves dragons. I love dragons too, just not as much as Jenny, I think. I love that there's a little loop here that you can like hang a little dangle from, but you could also hang a little dangle from here, as well as having that there. That is fantastic. Ooh. This one is an agate bead. Ooh, it's center drilled. How amazing is this? So it's got a hole going all the way through from bottom to point. You can see some of that light coming in the back on this lighter part. And we've got a much thicker, much pinker bit there. Ooh, this is the side. This is the side you want the world to look at. Look at this little flame over here. Is that going to show up? I love that. That's beautiful. Ooh, Picasso stone. Ooh, and it's matte beads. Let's get a couple of these guys out of the bag. Oh, beautiful. Where's my... I had there it is. I got moved over there. I'm gonna pick up some of the wildly different beads that were all in the same bag. So you can see like just the variety of beads. I love natural stones. I love dye-kneaded stones too. Rocks are cool. Just, they're so cool. Look at all of these different tones that you get in this one bag. That's fantastic. Look at this one. This one looks like iced latte before it's been mixed together, when the milk is just dripping down the sides or down in little swirls within the coffee. Oh wait, I got out an organizer for this. What am I doing? Put it in the organizer, Becky. All right. These are 8mm beads. And there are enough that I need 2 sections. Why, I can't. I can't. There we go. Fantastic. All right. I haven't even gotten to the rest of them. This looks like Unikite chips. I had a little stowaway. It's a little 6mm bead. It was hanging out in there with the Unikite chips. All right, let's get these guys on here. So we've got some that are very, very light green like this, and some that are more orange on that. But it looks like we vary. Some of them are smaller, some of them are bigger. I love the organic types of designs that you can do using chip beads. It is a lot of fun. Let's see, will they all fit in the same section, or do I need to put down one of my walls? I think, you know what, let's put down one of these walls so they can breathe. They can have room. Y'all, mushrooms. I love these guys so much. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Everybody else made it here just fine. Everybody else made it just fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we've got our little friend. I could probably glue this together, but I don't know if I should. That's the thing. And I bet with a bead on one end and a bead on the other, and like some wire holding them together, it wouldn't put too much strain on it, and the wire would act as kind of a supporting brace. So maybe I'll try repairing it and then making a dangle out of this, because these deserve to be dangles, honestly. And I could definitely see these and these in the same kind of a design together. these are some porcelain figures. Are they dogs? Can't see them in the bag, so we're gonna pull them out. They are. Oh, look at this little teal puppy. And a little white puppy. Oh my goodness. Look at their dumb faces. I love them so much. Here we go. Here's the other two. Ah, these are special. I am putting them right here in front. That's where I put my special things. And rose quartz. I love rose quartz. Ooh, these are some smooth nuggets. Rose quartz. These are awesome, actually. 100%. Brandy, you shouldn't have. You really shouldn't have. I love everything in here so much. Ooh, and these got some black agate stars. Oh, my stars and garters. And they have a bail on them. You can remove these bails and then just use the loop that is, it's a glue-in loop. So top drilled. Let's stick these guys here. This is a whole collection from Brandy. Oh, I love these beads. These check glass beads. They're a swirl between like this light fuchsia and this gray glass. Light magenta pink. Look how pretty those are. Stick them right there. And we've got a shell, carved shell flower. This one's got some heft to it. I love that. It's nice and thick. This is beautiful. All right, it's going to be a little too big to fit in one section. So maybe two sections. Ooh, it's a big guy. Now this one will fit there. I'll figure out how to close this lid with that. We've got a couple more things in here, like, oh, this agate focal. Look at all of these. I'm gonna hold it like this so we've got some light behind it. And then bring it up close so you can see that patterning. That is pretty. I love it so much. Oop, and then we've got a rose quartz handbag. This is adorable, and I love it so much. Look at my little handbag. It's just a little rose quartz, like, not even a rectangle. It's like got some rounded sides, so it's that handbag shape. But then this bail that is put on here, it's shaped like a little handbag handle. It's got a little loop in there so you could string it on something, or you could attach a jump ring up here, or a different type of bail in order to like hang it down a little bit lower. This is adorable, and I think Jenny also got one in the friend mail from Brandy that Jenny got. Oh, Brandy, this is so amazing. I love it. And we've got a pendant. This pendant would be super fun to bead around the outside of it, or do some wire wrapping around the outside of this pendant with all of these filigree bits on it. This is the back side, like that. And I'm going to go ahead and stick that over here. I can't wait to see what that one is, because I am just like 100% certain that that is absolutely me. Oh, it's a button. You guys, look at this button. It has a little metal shank on the back, but it is a big, big sparkly heart. I love this. Are these cubic zirconias? Maybe. I don't know. whatever they are sparkly and glorious. And this is porcelain. What a gorgeous bead. Oh, how beautiful is that? That's gorgeous. Actually, let's lay this down too because this is nice and big. Got a couple of these guys that are just a little bit bigger. And I am going to put my little bear in here to keep everybody company. Let's see if I can close this. I can. Yay! Friend mail from Brandy. Oh my gosh, Brandy, thank you for sending me this. I think I want to make something with it. But I'm going to need to have a think about what I want to make. I know immediately, like, I'm going to want to make something with this pendant and these beads together. I think they'll be glorious together. But also maybe this one? I don't know. What am I going to do? Ooh, I bet I could do some funky focal like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm having ideas, friends. I'm having ideas. Yeah. Yeah, no, I know what I want to do. All right, I'm going to do a separate video making with this because that's going to be amazing together. Not right now, but thank you so much for the amazing friend mail. It has brightened up my day, my week, my month so much. Like, I've been going through some stuff, but just having this, it has put a huge smile on my just on my face, taking this to my work desk so that I can look at that on just on a regular basis. I can't wait to do that, but thank you so much, Brandy. This was amazing. You are such a fun friend. And yes, guys, check out Brandy's channel, link in the description below, and give her some love. Give her some love because she is giving out love to other people right now, and you got to get some love back. All right, thanks, friends. Until next time, happy beading.